Fun fact, matter makes up everything. That's why I don't trust it.
The electrolysis of water is the process in which electrical current is run through water to separate the hydrogen atoms and the oxygen atoms. In this example, the electrical current is this toaster and the water is this bathtub.
I guess someone didn't follow the proper safety procedures.
Now, there are three states of matter. One of them is gas, which is represented by the helium underneath this cup. Now, you might be wondering why the cup's not being lifted up. Well, that's simply because helium doesn't lift, unlike the other state of matter, solid me. And you know what I like to do after getting swole at the gym with all the kiddos? I like to refresh myself with a nice glass of liquid, the other final state of matter, water.
Sublimation is the process by which a solid state of matter is directly transferred into a gaseous state. I'd show you an example of this, but unfortunately, I have to attend the funeral of a friend of mine who just died from an unrelated toaster incident.
Hi, and welcome back to Colander Facts with Colin. Dumb pun intended. Now, we all know that colanders are best used in order to block government airwaves from getting into your mind and harming your thoughts. But you know, they can also be used as a method of filtration, specifically when using a mixture composed of solids and liquids. You simply pour the mixture into the colander, and it separates the liquid from the solid. Mind-blowing, right? Now, you might think that might be a dumb reaction, but just remember, the government's interfering with my mind right now. That's better.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces.
If only we'd used distillation, which is the process of separating two mixed liquids, and prevented this tragedy. Because distilled water doesn't carry electrical currents. R.I.P. homeboy.
A compound is when two elements are chemically combined. A great example of this is iron oxide, otherwise known as rust, which you can see starting to form underneath this shovel, underneath the sticker. And it's kind of sad that the only use the shovel's going to be getting tonight is as an example. All matter is made of elements, but I'm not made of money, so I couldn't afford a coffin for my friend, so I'm just going to bury him out here in the, sorry to make a pun, elements. All matter has mass and takes up space.
A mixture is when two pure substances are physically mixed. For example, in the ground, the bones of my dead friend are mixing with the bones of my dead dog.